Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 8 till the 14th of September. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Okay, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Okay, let's see. Cappies, the mutual energy or the overall energy for the connection right now at this present moment is for you guys, Cappies. Let's see. We have the 10 of cups. Wow, this is a very beautiful card. Maybe you guys are planning to get married soon, and if you guys are already married, maybe you guys are planning to take this situation to the next level, having kids, maybe having more kids, or having a pet or something like this. This is a mutual energy of love, mutual energy of family kind of bonding, family kind of dynamics between you guys, and feeling quite happy about each other, feeling quite a family kind of feeling with each other. Now whatever is going on right now, I don't know what's going on, we will see in the reading, but this situation is fairly a very beautiful bonding, a very beautiful connection where two people have a beautiful desire to make things really beautiful, to keep things going in the situation. Maybe for some of you, family is the main factor here. Family kind of things are going on, issues are going on maybe, but it's like basically the moral of the story that I'm getting here, Cappies, is that both of you see each other as family. Even if you guys are together or not, doesn't matter. Both of you have certain kind of respect for each other. Both of you have certain kind of love for each other, and both of you still have this potential of making things work out in a very beautiful and positive way. Of course, you guys are going through some kind of challenges, and that's why you're here. Something is going on that's might be making this situation a little bit difficult, but at the end of the day, both of you respect each other, both of you have feelings for each other, and this is a story of typical love story of, okay, even if we are not together, or even if we cannot, we love and respect each other, and we will be doing it for whatever time we can. So it's a energy of mutual respect and mutual love and family kind of dynamics, and this situation is actually leading to this happily ever after kind of a deal, even if it is happening or not, but there is certain kind of desire and feeling to do that eventually. That's good, very good. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you, Cappies. What's happening? We have the 10 of Pentacles. What's happening, Cappies? Are you guys getting married or what? This person feels like you are a very stable, safe, and secure kind of energy for them. The families are also involved, and or they feel like involving their family in the situation. Maybe both of you are mutually investing in something and creating a very beautiful base for your future ahead of you guys, or maybe you guys belong to a business family or something like that, but this person feels like you are going to fit into their family kind of dynamics really very beautifully, and you are a very safe and secure kind of energy to go ahead with. Okay, that's really beautiful. Let's clarify the 10 of Pentacles here. So we have the 8 of Swords, the 10 of Cups, and the 7 of Pentacles. Wow, this is they feel like they're mentally trapped in this on this idea of having you by their side for the rest of their life, and they have to wait, and this wait is kind of making them a little bit restless. They feel like all they can do from their side is to just wait and watch. Whatever they could have done, they did that. Now they can't do anything about this situation anymore. They deeply feel connected to the idea of being with you for the rest of their life. They see you as a marriage material, they see you as the one for them. But there are certain kind of circumstances or obstacles or challenges that are stopping them from moving forward towards you, and they feel like all they can do from their side is just wait and watch and hope for the situation to improve. Okay, why? When everything is good, why? Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Eight of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like putting in the effort and energy in the right direction and making something happen with your own hard work, with your own efforts and energy. You feel like you should put in the effort and energy into something by properly understanding, properly analyzing, and not rushing. Okay, let me clarify this Eight of Pentacles. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the Six of Wands. You feel like putting in the effort and energy from the scratch into something, and you're holding on to this idea. You're kind of little bit obsessed with the idea of making things work out. You feel like this is one of those things. If I'm going to put in the effort and energy, if I'm going to do the hard work, I am bound to get the results. And if I'm not going to get the results as per my desire, as per my wish, the way I want it, I don't think so it's working out. So even if it is going to be slightly, this side or that side from what I want it to be, then I'm going to take it as a failure. This is the same kind of energy from your side, Capricorn, where you are feeling you should put in the effort and energy into something and start it from the scratch, and that should work out. That is bound to work out. Otherwise, it's a failure. Yeah. So if you feel like very stubborn, you feel like holding on to the stubbornness of, this should work out, this should better work out, because I'm putting in so much effort and energy, and I don't care about others. This should, because I'm doing it. Okay, a little bit of attitude is here, little bit. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Five of Wands. Their intention is to clear the drama, to let go of the drama, the chaos, and the conflicts that's going on in the situation right now. What's happening? When somebody is so much in love with you that they want to be with you for the rest of their life and they're waiting for it. What is the drama here? Other people? Other circumstances? What is happening? Let's clarify this Five of Wands, honey. We have the King of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and the Six of Swords. This person wants to fulfill their desire. This person wants to wear their heart on their sleeves, and they want to do whatever it takes for this wish fulfillment, for this desire of theirs, to find out a peaceful resolution to the problem that you guys are facing in this situation, so that you guys can have a peaceful solution on the table, and so that you guys can make it work out somehow, or maybe let it go properly without any drama. This might be very much possible, Capricorn, that somebody is very much interested in you, literally dying for you, madly in love with you, want to work it out with you, but you are interested in something else and someone else, and you are moving forward in that direction. But this person wants to let go of the drama and make things happen between you and them. But if you are not interested, they are ready to let go of this situation with love and with peace. They don't want any kind of chaos or conflict or drama in their life whatsoever, even if they are in love with you. Okay, Cappies, what's happening? This is a never ending. Oh my god, my anklets are hurting me. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys my anklets someday. I have two 200-gram anklet, silver anklet in my both. feet, ankles. Anyways, and they are just purely for fashion, just purely I just like them, nothing else. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? What's going on? Magician, you just want to manifest something here. Like, okay, you are putting in the effort and energy into something, that means you are manifesting something for sure. Let's see, let's clarify the magician. What's that? We have the Knight of Wands, the World card, the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, you want to manifest some kind of action in your life in this direction. You don't want this on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together, we are confused, okay, what to do next, what not to do next, and inactivity kind of energy. You are done with this. Confusion, on and off, in and out, you are done with that. Now you are manifesting some kind of action in your life, some kind of passion, some kind of happiness that you can enjoy. Hmm? You're done with the unstable energies, you're done with this on and off, in and out, full of confusion, immaturities. Now you just want to manifest a brand new chapter where you are enjoying your life to the fullest and things are moving forward in a very passionate way. Like, yes, this is what I wanted. Okay. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the what we have 14th of September, Cappies. Ten of Cups. What is happening? This Ten of Cups is not leaving your reading today. It's everywhere. Let's clarify this. Somebody's not giving up easily, I guess so. We have the Queen of Wands, the Death card, the Ace of Wands. Somebody is going to be like done with the daydreaming, done with the manifestation game, and somebody is going to come forward towards you with some kind of offer of, hey, I like you. In fact, I like you more than I'm saying, and I just want to be with you for the rest of my life. Are you in this? Are you interested, or are you going to just let it go? So somebody is done with the waiting game, somebody is just done with the daydreaming and fantasizing about you and about this situation. There are very high chances of somebody coming forward towards you, maybe not literally proposing you for marriage or commitment, but you are going to understand it when they are going to talk to you. You are going to understand it that they are interested in some kind of long term partnership, commitment, or marriage kind of a deal. What you are going to say to this, yes or no, it's completely different chapter, but there is a marriage proposal on the horizon for you guys. And this is somebody who is done with this waiting game, done with this fantasizing game, done with this this will happen, that will happen, then I will do something about it. Somebody is coming out of their cave, their shell, and wanting to connect with you, wanting to express their feelings to you, and they might end up proposing you. Maybe not a little proposal, but you will understand, you will definitely know that they are interested in something long term, something for life. The marriage proposal is on the horizon for you guys, for most of you. Marriage or commitment proposal starting from the scratch. So this is somebody who's super interested in you, and they don't want less than commitment. They don't want anything less than commitment or marriage. Good. Maybe you guys are fooling around with each other and not being serious. So now this person wants to be serious about it. Take it how it resonates with you according to your situation. Nice. For you, the guidance here is the Four of Swords. Before jumping into any kind of conclusions, or before making any kind of life changing decision, or uh, yeah, before taking any kind of life changing decision or making any kind of choice here, take a step back. Hmm? Understand each and everything about this situation. Is this situation bringing you peace and healing and something that you're looking forward to have in your life, or that you were searching for? Or is it still making you feel unstable, or still making you feel anxious and not sure about the future ahead of you? Understand the dynamics of this connection, of this bonding. If you want it, if it is bringing you the peace and happiness, or it's doing the opposite of that, or you're having mixed feelings. Take your time before saying or doing anything in this direction. Understand the dynamics within yourself, with yourself, that if you are healed enough to carry this much responsibility, or you need more time. Then make the choice or the decision accordingly. Go ahead with the healed version of yourself, not with the riled up and dramatic and painful version of you. Please take care of that. Okay, let me answer one of your questions in your love and relationship area with the crystal ball pocket oracles. uh, you can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind, very, very precisely. Keep it short and simple so that I can answer properly. And then I'm going to give you the answer. Okay, it can be anything, yes, no, unlikely, or get more information or whatever. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your 10 seconds starts now. Yeah, please. Okay, so the answer here is no. It's a no right now, so it's self-explanatory. I don't have to explain it to you because it's personal for you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.